साथियों का आज के इस बायोग्राफी सेशन में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। साथियों, आज के इस बायोग्राफी सेशन में हम बायजूस के सीईओ एंड फाउंडर बायजूस रविंद्रन की बायोग्राफी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ओके फ्रेंड्स, बायजूस रविंद्रन जर्नी ऑफ बिल्डिंग द वर्ल्ड लीडिंग एडुटेक थ्रू डिस्ट्रप्टिव इनोवेशन, a teacher by choice, an engineer by chance, and entrepreneur by accident. Meet Baiju Ravindran, the owner, founder, and CEO of Baiju, the world leading edtech company. Born and raised in a small village in coastal Kerala, Baiju attributes the lesson he has learned about teamwork, performing under pressure, leadership, etc. to playing sports. However, despite his keen interest in physical education, the Baiju CEO was also a dedicated academic student and a firm believer in self-learning, another takeaway from the field. This early childhood lesson has been instrumental in helping him make Baiju's what is today. After completing his engineering, Baiju's worked abroad for a few years, and one of his trips to India appeared for the CAT exam. He cracked the test with a score of 100 percentile, not once but twice. And with much encouragement from friends, he began coaching students for the test. Before Byju's knew it, his CAT preparation classes became a race. From 100 students, it grew to 1000 plus, and then to packed stadium full of eager students. From there on, launching an edutech company was clear case of the CEO passion interesting with real needs, which was make learning accessible, effective, engaging, and personalized for all students. With goal in mind, Byju's, along with her dedicated team, founded Think and Learn Private Limited in 2011 to offer learning program to students in K-12 segment with a unique blend of technology, content, and pedagogy, making education personalized, engaging, and fun. Students have always been at the center of innovation at Byju's, and it was with the same outlook that the company launching its flagship produced Byju's the Learning app in 2015. Within 3 months of its launch, the app saw 2 million downloads, paving the way to transform how students learn and teachers taught. With a holistic approach towards education, the app makes learning engaging, interactive, adaptive, and personalized through its animated video games, quiz, and more. Today, the app has 100 million downloads, 6.5 million paid subscribers, and an annual renewal rate of 86%. Celebrating every type of learner, each and every product of Byju's is designed with a vision to make quality content and teacher accessible by student anywhere, and to build a community of active self-learner. Through this learning program, student can get a conceptual and contextual understanding of various subjects to understand not the what of learning it but the why and how as well. In 2016, Byju's became the first Asian company to receive funding from the Chin Zuckerberg Initiative. Since then, it has on board strong and prominent investors. In its journey towards redefining education, the invest includes Nespers, CP, PIB, General Atlantic, Tencent, Square, Capita Sophonia, Verlin Invest, IPC Bond, Silver Lake, BlackRock, Sand Capital Management, Alcon Capital Management, Tiger Global, Qatar Investment Authority, All Ventures, Lightspeed Venture Partners, Time Internal, and Arian Capital. Building partnership to create value. As Byju's owner and CEO, he says one of the biggest way to continue impacting student life and creating value is partnership and shared vision. while helping children make the shift from passive learners to active learners by using cutting edge technology has been at the core of his vision for the company. It was with the launch of Disney Byju's Early Learn app for class 1 to 3rd student, later upgrade to include LKG and UKG, that Byju's began its journey of shaping young minds in their early years and help them fall in love with learning. In 2019, Byju's also joined hand with Osmo, a Palo Alto-based educational games make to offer learning solutions to children between 3 and 8. Through physical to digital technology and content, it aims to make student learning journey engaging, immersed, and personalized. In addition to teaching traditional subject matter, Osmo Games fosters social emotional skills like problem solving, creativity, and perseverance. Byju's integrated Osmo computer vision technology into the product for LKG, UKG, and classes 1 to 3, India and US. The pandemic factor and social initiatives. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 saw the rapid adoption of digital tools for learning and became an inflection point for the edutech sector. It brought about a significant change in the mindset of parents towards all online learning. As a digital first company, Byju's pivoted its plans and quickly launched multiple products to address the learning needs of children in challenging time like this. The first step was making the content on the learning app free so that children across the country could continue with their studies uninterrupted. Additionally, provide students with scheduled learning. It accelerated the launch live classes and also introduced Byju's classes, an online tutoring program. Byju's saw close to 50 million new students learn from the app by launching learning course in several regional languages. As a part of the company continue endeavor and Byju's honors aims of making quality education accessible to all. Byju's also launched as a social initiative Education for All in 2020 to democratic education. The initiative aims to empower 5 million children from the most remote geographies and undeserved community by 2025. Going global and scaling up with a vision is take world-class learning product from India to the world. Byju's has been expanding its global footprint. Its recent acquisition include White Hat JR, a Mumbai-based programming startup focused on empowering children with coding skill. With the acquisition, the company is enabling students in the 6 to 18 age group across several countries like US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Mexico, Brazil, etc. to get access to 1:1 math and coding training with the Byju's Future School. Also strengthening the brand position in the professional and higher education segment. Byju's acquired Singapore headquartered Great Learning and Test Preparation Platform Tower in July 2021. Similarly, with the aim to eroding its footprint in the US, Byju's acquired the digital reading platform Epic that creates to get age 12 and under. However, one the biggest acquisition came in April 2021 in the form of Akash Education Service Limited, with the future of learning set to be blend. Byju's and Akash are looking to build capabilities, create engaging and personalized learning program to bring together the best of offline and online learning. Friends, तो आपको हमारा यह वीडियो कैसा लगा? आप अपनी सुझाव प्रतिक्रिया कमेंट बॉक्स में अवश्य भेजें और इस चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।